use a platform like Synthesia to actually take the output from something like Chat GPT and put it directly into here, and then have an AI model, and there's all sorts of different models you can choose from, actually narrate the script that Chat GPT's created for you, and you end up with something like this, which I will give you, so you can have a bit of a look-see at it. Doink, doink. Where they will basically talk about your product, or they will say hello to a particular person, or they will thank them for a purchase, or they will offer them an upsell, or they will offer some customer support to them, tell them how to do a particular thing, just to free up more and more of your time. And I think, you know, we're getting busier as people. And I know a lot of people are kind of working two jobs. They've got their job they're trying to dump, and then their new career that they're trying to get into, e-commerce entrepreneur. This is a great way of leveraging your time to actually get stuff like that done. And what I think would be the correct way of approaching this is to use something like Zapier to get things written here. Get things written here, should I say, and then automatically put them into here to actually get them turned into video content. This is $30 a month for unlimited videos. Pretty frigging cool. Pretty frigging cool. So this is, for me, level one. And as this sort of stuff progresses, I think that the next level will be to actually be able to use this for much more sales focused things. And so I thought it'd be kind of cool to talk about some of the sales processes that we can use with video. And there are currently 6 videos styles that I really, really like as sales videos. So these are all running on Facebook for these particular companies that they've got them from. I've downloaded all the videos, I've uploaded them here for you, and they've all been done with paid influencers. I think they are all paid. I don't think anybody has actually done this for free, just based on the quality of the videos, but still, you know, 30 to 50 bucks to get a video like this that you can use over and over again is pretty sexy. So the first video that I really, really like is something called What I Ordered versus What I Got. What I ordered versus what I got. Let me just turn that down. And essentially what it is, it's the company over-delivering. It's the company over-delivering. And the thing I really, really like about this particular company, BlendJet, is not only are they very, very savvy marketers, but their product is a product that if you were entering this market, you would look at it and you would say to yourself, oh, this market is saturated. There's no way you could break into this particular marketplace. And yet, just with some creative marketing, this company's gone absolutely gangbusters in this. It's a 2 years old company. They've done really, really well. There is no saturation point. There's just a lack of creativity in the marketplaces. So that's a really, really cool thing. What I ordered versus what I got. This is a really great way of presenting your product in a very positive light, using people who are influencers to do that. The next one I really, really like is this is the most, whatever it may be, and then whatever the product is I've ever tried. So in this instance, this is the most comfortable bra I've ever tried. And again, this is a really creative company that's doing all this marketing. Again, this is all influencer stuff. There you go. Next one that I really, really like is fun facts. So this company, Rareform, they were actually, I'm pretty sure they were featured on the Shark Tank. And essentially what they do is all of their products are recycled from banners and billboards, the plastic that gets used on banners and billboards. It's all recycled stuff. Pretty cool idea, but their marketing's very, very clever. Their marketing's very, very clever. So this style of video, fun facts about, is a great way of talking about your product and about what your product does. It kind of gives them a little bit of a kind of like, here's all the benefits features and benefits of your product, but in video format. Okay, works really, really well. Another one I really, really like. Don't buy that, buy this. So you can use this when you're competing against an expensive product, but your product pretty much does the same thing, which is, you could argue, there's always products in your marketplace that are going to be at a very, very high price point. Hopefully yours is one of them. But if it isn't, then this works really, really well. Don't buy that, buy this instead. Everybody likes to think that they're saving some money and getting the same service, but at a much more reduced cost. And so these work really, really well as a result of that. And then second to last one, I tried this so you don't have to, okay, which is basically another way of reviewing a product. It's basically another kind of review thing, but because it's done in this format, there seems to be much more trust associated, because these videos are absolutely popping off all over the place. So there seems to be a lot more trust in this particular style. Again, let's think about this marketplace. This is kitty litter, so cat litter. Holy shit, holy cat shit. I mean, that's a super, super competitive niche, but because they've just got some creative marketing, they've set it up with influencers, they've been able to go into this space and carve out this particular market segment for themselves with this particular avatar that they've targeted as well. Very, very clever. And then I've got one more kind of bonus for you as well, which is this before and after, which has always been going. I mean, the weight loss industry has been the real, people who've nailed this as a strategy, but still, this before and after thing is absolutely fantastic. So my name is Shane, and what you're looking to do is you're looking to, with this sort of thing, you're looking to address a particular journey that a segment of your customers are on. So if you've got a particular segment of your customer base, in this instance, for instance, where they're too busy to do dieting because they've got a really busy day job. So this lady's a teacher, for instance. So this is her before and after that also tells the story of her, I'm too busy to do this. So this enabled me to do it regardless of my main objection to getting the product and getting it done. Okay, that's what you're looking to incorporate in that. And again, this is for that blend jet product that have just got into this marketplace and absolutely killed it. Absolutely killed it. Very, very small. Any one of those videos would do really, really well for your product. There's a way you can adapt that to your product too. And I think as well, just to go back to what I was saying earlier, when we get to the point where we can do that with something like this, with AI, then holy shit, this whole game changes. This whole game changes.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big, big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.